Using a Wise card in Europe is a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your finances while traveling abroad. To get started, you need to sign up for a Wise account and order your Wise card. The card is linked to your Wise account, which can be funded using your local currency. Once you have your Wise card, you can use it to make purchases and withdraw cash from ATMs in Europe. The Wise card uses the real exchange rate, which means you will not be charged any hidden fees or commission. You can also use the Wise app to track your spending and top up your account. To use your Wise card, simply insert it into an ATM or use it at a point-of-sale terminal. You will be asked to enter your PIN, which you set up when you received your card. If you need to withdraw cash, make sure to use an ATM that does not charge any additional fees. When making purchases, you can use your Wise card like any other debit or credit card. Just insert the card, enter your PIN, and the purchase will be deducted from your Wise account. You can also use contactless payments, which allows you to make purchases up to a certain amount without entering your PIN. One of the key benefits of using a Wise card is that you can avoid foreign transaction fees. Many banks and credit card companies charge these fees, which can add up quickly. With a Wise card, you will not be charged any foreign transaction fees, which means you can save money on your travels. It is also important to note that Wise cards are accepted at millions of locations worldwide, including shops, restaurants, and ATMs. This means you can use your Wise card to pay for almost anything, from coffee and snacks to accommodations and transportation. In terms of security, Wise cards are equipped with chip technology, which provides an additional layer of protection against fraud. You can also freeze your card using the Wise app if it is lost or stolen, which prevents anyone from using it. Overall, using a Wise card in Europe is a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your finances while traveling abroad. By following these steps and using your Wise card responsibly, you can avoid foreign transaction fees, track your spending, and enjoy a hassle-free travel experience.